Hello, I'm Venkat Rao. I'm the director for Project School at the Kesho Group of Institutions. We have 4 colleges, as you all know. We started this Project School 4 years ago. The idea was our intake is students who had just come out of Narayana and Chaitanya. So from the second year onwards, we wanted to give a varied education for our students. So what we do is we do conduct a embedded training is what we call it. So that embedded training is in whatever industry, the latest technology in the industry or the latest developments in the industry. We teach that for probably like 20 sessions, 3 weeks is what we do. And then we conduct a test, and then now we differentiate the students into different batches, so different groups, if you could say. And then in the meantime, we are also come up with some problem statements in that particular technology. And we have identified certain mentors to sort of give the students a grounding in that particular technology. And so the top students, who are like roughly 1/3 of the batch of the intake, we are taking it and calling them as Project School. And what we do is we give 5 students, we ask the students to make their own team, and they get to choose what problem they are working on. So typically, the problem could be developed as a simple web app to a healthcare application. So we assign a mentor to 10 teams, we assign one mentor. And we carve out a space of like 2 to 4 days for these people to work only on that project. The academics is separate, but this project is only meant for initially, right from the beginning, what is the problem, what is the solution. So the idea for us is twofold. One is to train these students to start to behave like engineers. So far, until they come to us, they have been just taking an exam, writing the exam, and getting a certificate and going through. But this is what a true engineer would do: look at a problem and see how we can solve the problem with computers, with an application. So that is the intent of this. The second thing is this is co-curricular. It is not really part of the academics. What we do is this enables us to introduce new technology. Whatever is most current, it introduces us so that we can give it to the students. So this is conducted in both 2-1, 2-2, and 3-1. It starts afresh every time. So once you get into project school, it is not necessary you continue in the project school in 2-2 and 3-1. We conduct an exam again. So we do the embedded learning at the beginning of 2-2 for all the students, and then the process repeats. So it has been fairly successful, and we do this across all our 4 campuses, but it started here at KMIT 4 years ago. We have done multiple iterations of it, and we are happy to say a lot of our students who went through this project school do very well during their recruitment. That's all. Hopefully, most of our KMIT students will get into project school one time or the other. Good luck to those students.